WhatsApp channels, a new way to connect. In the era of digital communication, WhatsApp has introduced a revolutionary feature known as WhatsApp channels. These channels serve as a one-way broadcast tool, enabling influential figures and celebrities to stay connected with their dedicated followers in a seamless manner. The convenience of this feature lies in its ability to deliver instant updates directly to the user's device. Among the prominent personalities who have embraced WhatsApp channels are Bollywood icons like Katrina Kaif.
Hey everyone, I'm Katrina Kaif, and guess what? I'm super excited to be sharing with you that I'm going to be launching my very own WhatsApp channel.
सत श्री अकाल जी, मैं दिलजीत दोसांझ और मैं बहुत एक्साइटेड हूँ अपने WhatsApp चैनल को लेके जो मैं लॉन्च करने जा रहा हूँ जिस पे
What's up? Did you see what I did there? Okay, that was lame, but the channel is not. Hi, I'm Akshay Kumar and welcome to my WhatsApp channel. यहाँ पर आपको मिलेगा exclusive news or updates about all things.
As well as South Indian superstar Vijay Deverakonda and singing sensation Neha Kakkar. Even Mark Zuckerberg, the co-founder of Facebook, has harnessed the power of WhatsApp channels for direct communication. The Indian cricket team joins in, but WhatsApp channels are not limited to individuals alone. Organizations and entities have also found their way into this platform. The Indian cricket team, a symbol of national pride, now has its own dedicated WhatsApp channel, providing fans with exclusive content and updates. Engagement through emojis. One unique aspect of WhatsApp channels is that followers can't respond using text messages. Instead, they can express their reactions through emojis. This engagement method ensures that the channel remains a source of information and updates while allowing followers to interact in a way that feels personal and immediate. Looking ahead, individual channels for all users. While currently individual users cannot create their own WhatsApp channels, there is exciting news on the horizon. WhatsApp is actively exploring the possibility of extending this feature to all users in the future. This would democratize the platform, allowing anyone to create their own dedicated channel for sharing content and staying connected. PM Modi's arrival on WhatsApp channels. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has embraced WhatsApp channels as a means to directly reach out to the citizens of India. This announcement comes just a week after the feature's introduction. With WhatsApp channels, PM Modi now has the ability to broadcast messages, images, and videos to his followers on the app. PM Modi's inaugural message. Prime Minister Narendra Modi's first post on his official WhatsApp channel features an image of him.